So often we bind ourselves to beliefs that were imposed on ourselves, either by parents, anyone in the community, like teachers, friends, parents, or anyone you interact with, basically. And then, of course, there's this conscious mind that tries to keep us safe all the time. However, the subconscious mind takes up the majority of what we do and perform in our lives on a daily basis. And that's actually where our attention should be and our focus. I want to call on each and every one of you today that if you feel a little bit lost, if you're not sure as to why certain consistent patterns happen in your life, why you maybe procrastinate or self sabotage, or why you just simply can't seem to make the right choices or move forward the way you would like to, this is your opportunity to have that conversation with me. I'm here. I'm a specialist in grief and relationship issues, and amongst many other things. But one thing's for sure, you matter, and your well being and forward movement matters to me. So get in touch and let's talk about you.